Hello class, how are you today? We have a song and you have to practice with me, right? Okay, here we go.
Unit 4, page 49. 5. Listen and match. Then sing the song.
Gorillas are bigger than pandas, but gorillas are smaller than bears. Bears are bigger than gorillas, and they're bigger than pandas too. Animals, animals, look at the animals. Bats are noisier than koalas, but bats are quieter than parrots. Parrots are noisier than bats, and they're noisier than koalas too. Animals, animals, look at the animals.
Okay, class, now is your turn. We have a karaoke. Okay, ready?
Student's Book, Unit 4. Now sing the song again.
One more time. Gorillas are bigger than pandas, but gorillas are smaller than bears. Bears are bigger than gorillas, and they're bigger than pandas too. Animals, animals, look at the animals. Bats are noisier than koalas, but bats are quieter than parrots. Parrots are noisier than bats, and they're noisier than koalas too. Animals, animals, look at the animals. Okay, class. Let's continue with the lesson. Okay, look at the board and tell me, where are the animals? Where are the animals? Are they on the beach? No. Are they in the school? Not really. Are they in a garden? No, no. Where are the animals? They're in a forest. Yes, they're in a forest, right? Tell me, what animals can you see in a forest? We can see a bear. We can see a koala. Yes. And what other animals can we see in a forest? we can see a gorilla. Yes, we can see a gorilla. We can see a parrot in a forest. Yes, we can see a parrot. We can see a panda in a forest. Yes, we can see a panda. Panda. Yes. We can see a bat in a forest. Yes. Okay. What other animals can we see in a forest? We can see a kangaroo in a forest. Yes. We can see a jaguar in a forest. Yes, jaguar. Right? Okay. We can see also an owl. Yes, we can see an owl in a forest. Right? Okay, owl in a forest. Right. Tell me, are they domestic animals? Domestic animals? Yes or no? No, not really. They are wild animals. Yes, wild animals. Koala is a wild animal. Yes. Owl is a wild animal. Yes. Panda is a domestic animal? No, it's a wild animal. Yes, they are wild animals, no domestic animals. Good. Okay, I'm going to ask you something. Um, which animals, which animals are bigger? Which animals are bigger? Tell me, bears or koalas? Which animal is bigger? Bears, yes, bears are bigger than koalas. Um, which animals are smaller? Smaller, yes, koalas or bears? Which animal are smaller? Smaller, sorry. Koalas are smaller than bears, right? Which animals are noisier? Noisier. Hmm? Parrots or owls? Which animals are noisier? Parrots are noisier than owls. Yes. Which animal are quieter? Which animal are quieter? Owls or parrots? Hmm? Owls are quieter than parrots. Yes? So this is the lesson for today. Okay? We are going to talk about wild animals. Yes, no domestic animals. And then we are going to compare. Yes, we are going to compare. Go ahead. Muy bien, vamos a hablar de lo que son wild animals, animales salvajes. Como número 1 tenemos bat. Yes, bat. Okay, number 1. How do you say? We say bat. No? Bat. Okay. Number 2. Number 2, we have other wild animal. Yes? Jaguar. Jaguar. Okay. How do you say? Jaguar. Jaguar. Correct. And other animal. Other wild animal. Yes? This is gorilla. Gorilla. Right? How do you say? Gorilla. Right? Gorilla. Ok, tenemos entonces los 3 primeros ejemplos de wild animals, animales salvajes, ¿no? Tenemos aquí bat, murciélago, jaguar, jaguar y gorila, que es gorila. Wild animal number 4. Okay. What is it? Is it a bat or owl? Okay, this is an owl, right? Owl. How do you say? Owl. Owl. Okay. Owl is a wild animal, no domestic animal. Yes? Okay. Example number 5. 5. What is it? What animal is it? It's a parrot. Parrot. Yes? Okay. Let's practice this pronunciation. How do you say? One more time. Parrot. Parrot. Right? Parrot. Good. Number 6. Number 6. Other wild animal. What's this? What animal is it? Is it a bear or panda? Yes, we say panda. This is a panda. Yes. We say, can you repeat? Panda. Yes, panda. All right. They are wild animals. Wild animal, wild animal, wild animal. Yes? All the animals are wild animals. Okay? Okay, let's review this vocabulary. Owl, yes. Bull, yes. Parrot, loro. Panda, oso panda. Number 7, we have kangaroo, yes. How do you say? Kangaroo. Okay. Number 8. Do you know what animal is it? It's a koala. Koala. Yes. Repeat, please. Koala. Koala. Right? Good. Number 9. Number 9. Other wild animal. Yes? What animal is it? It's a bear. Bear. Yes. Bear. How do you say? Bear. Bear. Okay. So they are wild animals. Yes? Not domestic animals. No. Wild animals. Right? Let's review about this vocabulary. Kangaroo. Canguro. Koala. Koala. Bear. Oso. The last wild animal. Number 10. What is it? What animal is it? It's a penguin. Yes? Penguin lives in Antarctica, not in the forest. In Antarctica. Yes? Penguin is a wild animal, no domestic animal. Right? Wild animal. Okay? How do you say? Can you repeat again? Penguin. Penguin. Yes. Good. Tenemos entonces penguin, penguin, pingüino. Okay. Y con ello hemos terminado el vocabulary. Vamos a ver ahora lo que nos tocaría es crear oraciones comparativas. Okay, let's see adjectives. Okay. Tenemos una lista de adjectives, ¿correcto? Tenemos 6 adjectives que lo vamos a convertir a comparative adjectives. Correct? Okay. Tenemos small. Yes. What is the comparative? En este grupo lo que vamos a realizar es agregarle air al adjective. ¿Correcto? Entonces tenemos small. Okay. Su comparative será smaller. Okay. Vamos a colocarlo. Smaller. Small, pequeño. Smaller, más pequeño que. ¿No? Right. Tenemos ahora fast. ¿Ok? ¿Cuál será el comparative? Como el primer ejemplo, le agregamos air y sería faster. Yes, faster. Fast significa rápido. ¿Okay? Faster sería más rápido que. Tenemos number 3. Quiet. Quiet. Yes. Y como los ejemplos anteriores, tenemos que agregarle air. Sería de esta manera. Right? Quieter. Quieter. Yes. Okay. Quieter. Quiet, que es callado, silencioso. ¿Ok? Quieter, más silencioso que. Tenemos slow, que es slow, que sería lento. Entonces, al cambiarlo al comparative, hacemos la misma regla, ¿no? La misma regla que se está cumpliendo en los anteriores comparative. ¿Cómo sería entonces? Slower. ¿Ok? Muy bien. Slow, lento, slower, más lento que. Muy bien, tenemos aquí other adjectives, big and noisy. ¿Okay? Vamos a comenzar con big. ¿Okay? En este caso, big significa grande. ¿Okay? Pero al cambiarlo al comparative, vamos a tener en cuenta, ¿okay?, que va a ser de esta manera, bigger. ¿Okay? De igual manera que los anteriores terminan en air. ¿Yes? Pero hay un detalle. Vamos a agregarle la última consonante. ¿Correcto? Vamos a agregarle a duplicar la última consonante. ¿Ok? Sería entonces bigger. ¿Qué sería big, grande, bigger, más grande que? Tenemos noisy, ¿no? Ruidoso, noisy. En este caso, cuando el adjective termina en Y letter, en Y, ¿correcto? Vamos a cambiarlo y será de esta manera. Noisier, ¿no? Voy a desaparecer, ¿ok?, la Y y voy a colocar la I, ¿correcto? Voy a colocar la I y le agrego air, noisier. ¿Okay? Muy bien. Noisy, ruidoso, noisier, más ruidoso que. Entonces, vamos a trabajar con estos 6 comparatives, ¿no? Comparatives adjectives para crear nuestras oraciones. ¿Ok? Vamos entonces. Let's make sentences now. Yes. Number 1. Jaguars are space than penguins. ¿Ok? Vamos a cambiar al comparative este adjetivo fast, right? ¿Cuál sería entonces el comparative de fast? Sería faster. Yes? Muy bien, vamos a colocar entonces los comparatives. Jaguars are faster than penguins. Los jaguares son más rápidos que los pingüinos. Number 2. Owls are space than pandas. Right? Ok, tenemos aquí small. What is the comparative? This is smaller. Yes, smaller. Entonces vamos a colocar su comparative. Owls are smaller than pandas. Los búhos son más pequeños que los pandas. Number 3. Parrots are space than koalas. Okay. Y tenemos el adjetivo noisy, ¿no? Right? Ruidoso. Yes. ¿Cuál será el comparative de noisy? Lo hemos visto en el anterior ejemplo, ¿sí? Hemos visto nuestra lista de adjectives con sus respectivos comparatives. Entonces sería noisier. Yes. Dice aquí. Entonces, parrots are noisier than koalas. Los loros son más ruidosos que los koalas. ¿Correcto? Y con ello terminamos nuestra lección para esta semana. ¿Okay? Muy bien, entonces tenemos aquí, hemos visto wild animals y hemos visto oraciones, ¿okay? Comparativas, right? Adjectives también hemos visto, ¿okay? Y con ello nos despedimos. Hasta la próxima clase. Bye bye, students.